Video got cut, y'all. We live from outside the line again. I got some live action. I don't know what it is. It is. Help! Help! I don't know what this is. Help! Oh shit! Oh help! Okay. You got something big. I need some help. Oh, help! Oh, help! Hold up, they hold up. Oh. Get the net! Come here! Get my net! Oh, help! Oh, shit! Wait! Oh! I think so. I thought the Charlie got 4-pound test. But he ain't playing. My little ultra light. Yeah, that's a cat. He won't get it. Thank you, man. I don't know what I caught him on. Oh. You got him on that little spinner? I'll go with my pole. I said, what the? I thought it was a turtle, but he was swimming. It wasn't no turtle.
You got a scale?
Yeah, I got a yeah. That's like my biggest cat out of here.
Yeah, the same. That's like that. It's like 2.5. Huh, what is it?
Get a fake wood.
You got a scale, right?
Yeah, y'all. That's what we talk about. Hold up. It's a nice one too. It might be the biggest one I got about it here. I try to hope you do.
If you want, I got a scale that'll work for you. Yeah, nobody can do it under the head, but how could I?
Yeah, man. He wasn't coming in, Chris. I let him swim all the way up under there and everything.
Damn.
Alright, y'all.
5.5.
5.53. 5.5. We give him 5.5.
That's a big one.
5 pounder.
I haven't even known that.
Clamp it back on. Yeah, I think so. Yo, I could. I'm like, yo. No, because my wrist, I ain't gonna be able to do that.
Yeah, and then plus the test is too light. You need more than that.
Yeah, I got 4-pound chest, and he a 5-pounder. I'm like, I can't get him close enough to get that, and I ain't gonna be able to lift him up with one hand. That's what we talking about, y'all. Thank you. What was he? 5'3"?
5.5.
5.5 pounds. 5.5 pounder, y'all. Yeah, Turbo. This one the biggest one I got out of this little lake here. Fishing with Lamar Daniels. Yeah, this for you, Mill. Yes, boy, let me get him back in the water. We ain't gonna make no catfish.